How to make desktop icons bigger or smaller. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So these are called icons that are in your desktop. Now in order to make this icon size bigger or smaller, what you will have to do is first simply right click on anywhere in your home screen. Then go to personalize. If you cannot find the icon size here, go back again, right click on it, then go to view. Here you will find an option of large icons, medium icons and small icons. Currently I have medium icons. I had small icons. Now you can change it to small icons like this. Go to view again, go to large icons like this. And you can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift and 1. It will be smaller, bigger and medium like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.